Here we have a geometry problem. There is a figure given over here. In the figure above, what is the value of x? That is, we have to find the value of x. Okay, so let me consider the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, angle measure over here is the exterior angle because this angle is out of the triangle ABC. And here we can use the exterior angle theorem to get the measure of angle over here. So once I get the measure of angle over here, I can use the angle measure over here, this 50-degree angle measure. I can find the third interior angle measure of this triangle, CED. So once I get this one, on this angle measure and the x degree over here are linear pair. So that is, whenever two angles are considered to be linear pair, they form a straight angle. They must add up to 180 degree. Okay, now my aim is to get the angle measure over here. This is the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. So because this angle is outside of the triangle ABC. Okay, so whenever I want to find the exterior angle of a triangle, so there is, I can use the exterior angle theorem. What is exterior angle theorem? So the exterior angle of a triangle equals to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So here for the triangle ABC, we have three interior angles, 36 degree, 44 degree, and the third one is over here. This is the third interior angle. This is not the remote interior angle of this one because this interior angle is adjacent to the exterior angle. So we cannot consider this one as remote interior angle. So the remaining two interior angle measures, 36 degree and 44 degree, are the two remote interior angles of this exterior angle. So to get the measure of this exterior angle, so what I need to do is I have to add the two remote interior angles according to exterior angle theorem. So now let me get the angle measure here. Let me assume this is angle measure y degree. So then we get y degree is equal to this exterior angle equals to the sum of the two remote interior angles, that is 36 degree positive 44 degree. So when I add them, I am getting 36 positive 44 becomes 80 degree. So the measure of angle y over here is 80 degree. We can replace this y by 80 degree. Okay, now we can use the angle sum property of triangle. That is, in any triangle, so three interior angles will add up to 180. So here, let's consider the triangle CDE. In this triangle, so we know the measures of two interior angles, 80 and 50. What must be the measure of the third interior angle measure over here at E? So for that, I have to add these two angle measures and subtract from 180, because in a triangle, three interior angle measures will always add up to 180. When I add 80 and 50, I'm getting 130. So if I subtract this 130 from 180, I'm getting 50 degree angle measure over here. So the measure of the interior angle measure over here is 50 degree. Now we can verify our answer. That is adding 50, 50 and 80, I'm getting 180. Okay, now, so this angle over here are linear pair, or we can say this is a straight angle. So that means x degree and 50 degree together form a straight angle. Since these two angle measures together form a straight angle, these two angle measures must add up to 180 degree, because the measure of a straight angle is 180 degree. So x degree positive 50 degree equals to 180 degree. So in the next step, we can write the stuff without a degree symbol, that is x positive 50 equals to 180. So now to solve for x, I have to subtract 50 from both sides. When I subtract 50 from both sides, positive 50, negative 50 will cancel out. I'm getting x equals to, when I simplify this 180, negative 50, I'm getting 130. So in the given figure, I got the value of x. The value of x is 130.